Congratulations, and thank you for purchasing the Toba Magic Fountain. This video is designed to help you through the installation process for your new product. The steps are very easy, and your new fountain will be ready to put on a show in just a few moments. Step 1. Unpack your new fountain from the box. Step 2. Place the fountain on the ground near the pond and lay the power cord where you intend it to go, leading up to the power supply. Step 3. Now choose a location for your weatherproofed power supply close to the pond area. Place your power supply 12 inches off of the ground with the electronic pad facing down, using the installation screws. If you want to install the power supply on a wall, use the anchor also provided for your convenience. Step 4. Plug the long fountain cord into the power supply receptacle and, paying careful attention to the positioning of the prongs on the plug, as an incorrect connection can cause the fuse to short, secure the power cable with the cable tie provided. This will help to keep the cord from pulling out. Step 5. Select 3 fountain heads and install in the 3 outlet holes in the fountain. Press and rotate slightly to get a snug fit. Do not use excessive force. Step 6. Open the battery compartment on the remote control and install 3 AAA batteries. Replace the battery cover. Do not over-tighten the screws. Note: the Toba Magic Fountain is designed to float freely in the water, such that the changes in water level do not affect the operation of the pump. Do not allow the water level to go below 12 inches in the area where the fountain is floating. Step 7. Make sure that all 3 filters are inserted into the slots in the lower part of the fountain. Do not operate the fountain without all 3 filters in place. This will keep the fountain heads and pump from getting clogged with dirt or algae. Depending on your water environment, make sure you check the filters periodically to rinse them off. Step 8. Plug the power supply cord to a power outlet. Turn on the power supply and then turn on the power switch on the fountain. The green light should illuminate on the fountain control panel. If a red light comes on, refer to troubleshooting to diagnose the problem. Do not press the water or light switches. Step 9. Adjust the anchor and attach it to the bottom of the unit. Step 10. Attach the anchor locator into a standard skimmer pole. Step 11. Position the fountain and anchor in the pond in the area you choose. Note: do not use the power cable to keep the fountain located in the center of the pond. Constant pulling on the cable will damage the wires over time. Step 11. Test the fountain by pushing the on button on the remote control. Be sure to spend time reading your instruction manual to learn all of the functions of your remote control, the fountain modes, water heights, lighting, and filter information. Now you can enjoy the full range of effects. Should you have any additional questions about your new Toba Magic Fountain, please contact our corporate office at 800-985-8622.